Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn more coin on Tapswap farming. Get started. Open your Telegram, then can search for your Tapswap. You can see click on open. Also click on open. Let's go and earn more coin on Tapswap. Okay, now I'm going to click on tax. Also click on tax. You can see the tax that you can do to get more coin. Making 500 daily. You can see I'm going to click on special, join our YouTube. So I'm going to go there. Let's start the mission. Now I'm going to go to subscribe to our YouTube to get the 1000 coin rewards. So I'm going to go there and click on subscribe. You can see I've already subscribed. You can see once I've subscribed, go back, then click on check. So click on check, and if you have done it, you're going to your 1000 reward. So wait for it to finish counting the seconds. Then let's wait for it a little more time. Okay, yeah, let's click on check, then click on finish mission, and this is it. Claim I've get an audience. So you can do and undo more. You can just go back. You can see join our social, subscribe to this. You can do all this one. You're going to get more coin on your Tapswap, guys. Mine and farm. Tapswap is going to list very soon. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.